Hello, Calvin Jones here, Park Tool Company with Teach Tuesday. Teach Tuesday, it's a new subset of Tech Tuesday. In these, we want to reach out to the people that teach. When we teach, we want to pay special attention to how people learn. We keep seeing the same issues again and again and again. Well, maybe it's what we're doing and how we're teaching. So here's an example. It's on how people shift. When I teach indexing, I like to start with a simple one click, get you one sprocket, one for one. Simple enough. But let's see what can happen. Take this example. The mechanic may not notice this very slack cable, but can we still get it to shift? Of course. Just push it enough and you can get the chain to move from sprocket to sprocket. But there are going to be issues, especially at the larger extreme range. A newer mechanic may now think there are limit screw issues. The spike is not making it to the inboard cogs to the largest sprocket. What this bike and mechanic needs is to go back to the start. Watching people make this mistake again and again led me to try something new. And that's really the purpose of Teaching Tuesday. If we keep seeing the same mistake and again, maybe the issue is the teacher, not the student. So what I've been trying is to cut the connection between what people see and what they're doing with their digits. In this case, when we stare at the gears in derailleur and are then told to go one click for one gear, our between the ears computer tends to figure out the game quickly. You see people push whatever it takes to get that one shift, and then they think, okay, one shift and one gear. So here's the mind trick. Have them look over their right shoulder. Do not let them look at the rear action. Get them to look at the shifter. Now try one click at the lever. Did you get that one sprocket for one click? Do not even bother advancing any further. Release the lever, turn the barrel adjuster outward to take slack up in the cable, and try it again. So that's our tip for this Teach Tuesday. Look for patterns. If something isn't working, try something new in your approach. And we'll see you next time on Tech Tuesday.
Thanks for watching. You can find hundreds more videos like this one on our channel here on YouTube. And we're constantly working on more. So be sure to subscribe for the latest content for Park Tool. And check out our website, which has even more content to help you make your bike better.